Happy Mother's Day.
Ay.
Abi.
Anak ko.
Dari ka mo.
Isa na pinaan eh.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hindi man nagigan.
Anya.
Ha?
Anya na.
Ay, tapos ako maahuan.
Ay.
Hala, oy.
Diri ka ma'am. Dali ma'am.
Thank you.
Diri ka.
Sa may padaan eh.
Dari ka ba? Yung letter that. Picture sa. Ma'am, ahong basahon ag message ha. Unya na kumuingon. Maniag message ma'am. Derma, strangely I'm beginning to miss home. I knew it's been 8 months since I set off, but don't worry about me. I left the house happily and I'll come home safely. Ma, please stop worrying about me because I am absolutely fine in here, being away from home. Have given me the opportunity to know myself well. Mommy, I've wanted to tell you that I'm so glad that my mother is you, not someone else. True, we're struggling from certain difficulties. Seeing you laugh and cry gives me courage to face anything. Though I'm fated to be like this, which nobody ever takes notice, I'm still the strongest person because I have you. Thank you for giving birth to me. Thank you. I love you, Ma, and happy Mother's Day, my real life superhero.
Sino?
Ang
nagpada?
Kuan. Wait lang, ma'am, ha?
Sanay?
Ha?
Ipasa?
Video. Di, mag-post ko sa YouTube man. I-post na ho. Sendan na taka.
Ang katong yung
message?
Ay, yung message?
Pwede ra ikuan, ma'am. Ay, sir.
Hala.
Hani may imong tubag.
Surprises. Ha?
Ma'am, ari ra makadapit na. Hani may imong tubag, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, anak.
Kaba nakakinsa.
Akong anak na sa gawas.
Nalipay baka, na-surprise baka.
Siya, nanay ko nga. Hala, oy, ako thank you, Dad, Lichin. Love you. Palitan lang ko, ha?